just because it's such low resistance runs to these highs. I want to see all of this get hit. Actually, I'm going to show you how convicted I am in these highs. I'm not even going to scale out of my position. I'm going to just wait for my TP to get hit. Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? We are back. What is good with y'all boys? Market is literally about to open. It's going to be a great day today. We reloaded with the 25K account drawdown. Profit target's only 1,500. I was looking at that. I'm like, okay, I don't look bad. What I'm seeing is drawing towards daily highs inside of this day fair value gap. We're getting a retrace. Oh man, we got London highs too. Tapping in the new week opening gap. We're sitting inside of this range. What is this? Is this New York? Yeah, this is New York. It looks like we're pretty bullish. I want to see us go up if we respect new week opening gap right here. We might fill it and then reverse. This does act as kind of like, another fair value gap for me, but we are sitting inside of this big ass range right now. Ooh, and we left Asia and we left London. Yeah, we got, I'm bullish. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so bullish. I'm so bullish. I'm waiting for this sweep or this sweep. Yeah, brother. I don't even think it's close, to be honest. If we're bullish, we should probably respect this gap, considering we already got a tap into this 4-hour, and then we got another tap with the reversal. So we got to see something get respected here. We're getting an inverse out of something, but we didn't really sweep any liquidity. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, we did, but it wasn't like we're sitting in new week opening gap. Probably it'd be a great sign if we, like, this might be a Judas swing off open right here. Sweep down, sweep, inverse, low resistance run back all the way to these highs. Inside a new week opening gap, we're respecting equilibrium of new week opening gap. Hey, I mean, that's what it looks like. If we get this close and it's like a good close, I might take that. I might take that because I'm so extremely bullish. And if we are bullish, new week opening gap holds right here. Like, this reaction is already really good. Like, it's one of them reactions where, like, I gotta wait till this closes and then I gotta catch continuations after this. See, look, this is why I wait for the 5-minute continuations, bro. We're just gonna gilly gallop in between fucking PD arrays. We are not with that at all. Make sure y'all get y'all eats in, man. Literally the tiniest the literal tiniest fair value gap of all time is what we're fighting against after we just took out this high. Wow. Like I said, if we get a strong close right here, I might long if we get a tap into this inverse and then target, you feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Like, this is some good shit. This is some good shit. I'm trying to tell you. 5-minute inverse was a look like on a 5-minute. We're tapping it. Break a structure, fair value gap tap, 5-minute inverse with the change in the state. I want to see a 1-minute hold. Ideally, I want to see an inverse inside of this 5-minute gap, or I want to see a change in the state on the 1-minute. So that's what I'm looking for, man. That is what I'm looking for. All right. Now, if we get an inverse off of this gap, we would be respecting this 5-minute inverse, and we'd have targets at these highs. Looks like we're getting it. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Last time I'd be front running gaps and you know what I'm saying, it ain't be working out in my favor type shit. If we do get this inverse, we also might get this change in the state, which makes it even higher probability. So there's that too. All right, 10 seconds left. All right, got a pretty good entry here. I think we saw exactly what we needed to see, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but this is exactly what we want to see. Let's see us go up here. I think we just got to keep an eye on the dollar amount. just because this is a nice little damn near 2R trade. Swept this low inside a new week opening gap. We're respecting equilibrium of the gap. We have a 5-minute inverse right here, and we get a 5-minute change in the state. It looks like we are about to get stopped out though. We didn't get the change in the state. We do get stopped. Our original stops were at this body low, but I didn't expect to see. I wanted to see this inverse kind of hold. And then of course we're gonna get one ticked and then TP is gonna run, right? I will be looking for re-entries if we do get another inverse here. It looks like it's going to play out too, so I wouldn't mind actually getting a re-entry here. If we do get this change in the state, I'll re-enter. We just got a change in the state actually. I actually kind of like this. We got another change in the state out of this 1 minute gap, showing we're respecting bullish order flow. We got to get this change in the state out of this gap as well. Yeah, I think this is really good for me. We might have gotten even better entries, I'm not going to lie. Stops are going to be at this low for the re-entry. I'm longing. Right here. TP's up here. We finally got our change in the state. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 minutes, which is not bad. This ideally how long I'd want to wait for us to get our inverse. Price action is a little funky right now, I'm not gonna lie. But we still have all these draws on liquidities to the upside. We did get a nice V shape, our respecting 5-minute structure. And we do have a protected low right here, just off of, we tapped this 1 minute, got a change in the state, and we got our change in the state off of this initial IFVG. So I want to see that hold, but if it doesn't hold, we'll be done. We just entered our macro time too, so if anything, we could get a little bit of a leg up here. This low should be protected because we got our change in the state. But if not, we're just going to be respecting this 15-minute. And it looks like we actually might be. So, you know, Monday morning chop might get the best of us. Our break even is going to be at this high. Dog, are we just respecting? Look at all these wicks. Look at all these wicks. Oh my gosh. These wicks is kind of crazy. They're kind of telling me we don't want to go higher. Oh God, it's telling me we don't want to go higher. Oh my gosh. If we break above and hold price above our change in the state right here, I think after that we get low resistance run to these highs. Like actually, but we can't keep getting pushes down because eventually buyers are going to get stuck and sellers are going to be in control. But look, we got that closure, that nice displacement. So now we have equal highs as our targets. So this makes this even higher probability trade. And I could probably move my stop loss up to this swing low right here, just because we got another change in the state. Reducing my risk even more because we are getting finally this bullish price action out of this leg. Man, don't you love trading in a macro time? Oh my gosh, we're already about to hit break even too. But also, if this becomes our break of structure, oh brother, we're going to target everything on this leg. We're targeting these highs, these highs, these highs. Like, oh, it's happening too. It's happening too. Let's go ahead and move our stops. Man, I love me my macro times, man. We did get our break of structure. Did I not tell y'all this was going to happen though? I literally told y'all this is what's going to happen. Once we get this push up to London, I'll probably start trailing up to this body low right here. But I'll keep it there in the meantime. Because if we're inverse in this 15-minute, we don't have any other 15-minute structure until we get to London highs, which is our only high resistance liquidity. Other than that, we have a low resistance liquidity run on the 15-minute. Like, oh God, this looks pretty decent. This looks pretty good. Like swing high, failure swing. Like these are all, this looks pretty good. I'm like, and then we have even more if we want to go run up and take out all this right here, which is honestly what I'm hoping for, to be honest. This looks good, bro. Like it looks good. Look at price going. Look at price going right now. Like, what are we talking about? Look at price just go. Like we have so much low resistance here. It's insane. This is why I want to hold, because I know I can make this. I can make my loss back just because my stop was a little too tight, and we still have a high probability of running London highs to go to Asia and previous day New York, and this swing high up here as well. I ain't gonna lie. It look good, boy. It look good, boy. Oh, London might be hit. London just got hit. It did. I'm trailing my stop. No. Let's not reverse position. Come on. Let's be for real. We want to see Asia go try and get hit as well. We do have 10 more minutes inside of this macro. I don't want to see a big giant push down. I am still pretty bullish here just because it's such low resistance runs to these highs. I want to see all of this get hit. Like I'm gonna show you how convicted I am in these highs. I'm not even gonna scale out of my position. I'm gonna just wait for my TP to get hit. We want to see we're respecting OTE of our premium range. Damn. I say that and we reverse. I say that and we're reversing. Lord, make up your mind, Price. It's either you're gonna make me look good and be right, or you're not, and stop me out. Come on, bro. Holding up the line and shit. Oh, I might be done. Boys, we might be cooked. If this 50%, if EQ doesn't hold right now, we might be cooked. And we just get a nice inverse to the downside. I don't know how this is gonna hold the power of London highs and hold that off, but hey, if we get a decent closure, it might be so. But it doesn't look like it. Does not look like it at all. God damn. Now we got this 5-minute just open that we're probably gonna tap into. Because why wouldn't we? It's just clear draws right here. We're probably gonna fucking fill the whole thing, come down all the way down here, and then possibly go back higher. But this is for sure getting tapped. 100% without a doubt. For sure getting tapped. Yep, looks like that's exactly what's gonna happen too. Just got our 5-minute. Oh shit. 5-minute tap looks beautiful. We get it. If we get our change in the state off of this, I might scale into this bitch. I'm not even gonna cap. No fucking cap. I might scale into this bitch if we get a good closure. Just like that, your boy's time is to shine right now. Unfortunately, I have a life, so I'm gonna update y'all if this trade actually plays out and what actually happens. Because our 5-minute just got tapped. We're struggling to get this change in the state. We don't know if we're gonna go break even or what exactly is gonna happen. But I'm gonna let you know. And just like that, it's a little while later, and we hit TP. TP bang. Look, give me a TP bang in the chat down below, man. We're up 2.69% out of our 8.46% profit target of $1,500 for the 2 trades that we took. Our one loser, which was really too tight of a stop, ended up being a loss of $411. And then our winner, our banger, our real trade that actually got taken, $1,083.60, which totals out to $672. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. If you don't subscribe, your mom's a hoe. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Stay locked in.